Hello again. This is the second part of my GT3 review. In the first part I covered removing the body of the locomotive and fitting a crew. This time I'm going to be fitting a 21 pin decoder. It's a very simple task getting the tender body off. It's just literally held on by a couple of little spring tabs. Once the body's off, the blanking plate is eased off. It's fixing pins, and then it's a matter of fitting the sound decoder chip round the right way onto the pins. Other than that, it is just a straight plug and play. Here, just checking that the one missing pin is at the right end of the board, and then push it back down onto the connections provided, and check there's no fouling of anything on the PCB board. Once that's complete, it's just a case of clipping the body back on, making sure that you just dodge the light box for the LEDs at the back end of the tender, and then clipping the body on, making sure that the tabs engage. Final part of the process is to invert the model and slide the multi-plug from the tender back into the section that's on the locomotive, and then just check that the extending coupling still works freely. Having fitted the decoder, first job is to stick it back on the rolling road and just check that the locomotive is running in both directions before I proceed on and test the sound functions. There's quite a comprehensive list of functions on here. But one of the odd things is, as soon as you place the locomotive on the track, the front marker lights work and they do not turn off. This is an aberration on the PCB board, which Keith at KR Models told me they've corrected in the second iteration of this model. Right, on to the sound functions. Right, let's head for the layout. In conclusion, it's an interesting sound profile. There are a few gaps in the progression of functions where you could have rearranged them and made it a bit more tidy. And the deceleration profile of the locomotive seems incredibly long. It can overcoast the platform by quite a considerable distance if you approach too fast. But on the whole, okay. Final thing is to just decrease the overall volume and run it on the layout some more. That's about it for now, and the train spotters seem to like it too. Thanks for watching, and please comment, like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.